Hello, losers. It is I, your friendly apocalyptic hooligan, Deadly Anarchy. And folks, earlier today I tried cooking some lunch, but guess what? My frickin' microwave stopped working. All I wanted was to just enjoy my frickin' Philly cheesesteak Hot Pockets, but no, the microwave decided to stop working. No matter what I tried, it just would not listen to me. So today, I'm going to be bringing some destruction to a microwave. But now, before I begin breaking this thing, I need to address a little something. Now I know normally I would be using my trusty bat like you've seen me use plenty of times before in the past. And I don't give a crap what that freaking train says. I'm trying to do my freaking video. Hey conductor, up yours with a twirling lawnmower. Alright. Now, before I was rudely interrupted by the local train movements, shut the heck up! Shut the front door, dagnabbit! Now, I might have to go break a train in the next episode. You done? Okay. Now, I know normally you folks enjoy seeing me using a bat on these videos, but recently I found something that definitely piqued my interest, and I might have to use it on a train in the next episode. So, instead of a bat, what am I using today? Oh, I don't get entertained often on here, but this really does bring me some joy. My apocalyptic hammer. I don't know, I need a good nickname for this thing. If anybody has any suggestions, leave it in the comments below. Maybe the Deadly Devastator, maybe? Possibly? Oh well. Look, let's just go ahead and destroy this microwave already. I really hope this works. I really hope this works. I've only tested this thing once, and that was on a couple of cinder blocks. But with this thing being metal, I don't know. I'm very skeptical right now. Alright. Oh well, here goes nothing. Microwave, welcome to the apocalypse! Ooh, immediately! Ooh. Yeah, maybe I need to attack her from the top. I might be able to save that. I'm keeping that glass plate though. Alright. There we go. Right there is a screen. Ooh, there we go. Oh, there we go, yeah. And there goes the door. No protection now, homie. Oh, yeah. There's an idea, hold up. I just got an idea. Let me try this. Hopefully without cutting myself here. Alright. Let me try it like this. There we go. I'm trying to leave it open so I can do this. Alright. The hammer through like that. Oh, that's what I was trying to do. I'm ringing the bell on this thing. Let me take it from the bottom. This is tiresome. Let me hit it from the back. Yeah. Gotta hit it from the back. What was I thinking? That wasn't gonna work. Shut up, James. Get back in character. Hurry up and smash. Oh, ooh, we just cracked open a case right there. Oh yeah. Now I'm exposing some guts. Look out. There we go. One more. I missed. All right, I think I got it. Now I'm done. Ugh. That felt good. I think I'm going to be using this as well as my bat in the near future. It all depends on what I'm destroying. But, yeah, felt good to destroy that microwave, but let's go ahead and take a look at the before and after, shall we? So this is what it looked like before the apocalypse. And this is what it looked like afterwards. Yeah, I'm still keeping the plate though. Yeah, look at that. All the microwave guts and the wires and everything. Can't believe I was freaking making it go ding. Oh look, there's a little eject button. Come on. Open the door. It's not opening the door anymore. Don't know why. That's what you get for not cooking my Hot Pocket. I freaking love this thing. Can't wait to destroy more stuff with it in the future. No offense to the bat, but I might be using this a little bit more. Heck, I might end up using both if I can. Bat in one hand, hammer in the other, just start swinging. I didn't even bring the bat out here with me today. Oh well. Well, folks, that's been another episode of Anarchist Apocalypse. And until next time, go screw yourselves.
Someone said you're feeling brave tonight. Do you really want to cross the line right now? Go ahead and try to take what's mine.